Hi guys, and thanks for checking out our video here at Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs. Hopefully it's not the first video you're checking out on the channel. We've got lots and lots of videos on the channel, from everything from repairs to styling, hydro dipping, other sound deadening videos as well. So check some of them out. Then of course please do like and subscribe to the old channel as well. That's why you can stay fully up to date with everything we're doing and you won't miss any of the other videos. But on this occasion you are joining us for the video or the work we are doing to this Land Rover Defender. This is the 110 special edition one this is, so a lovely bit of kit. Looks awesome in the pearlescent white with the black bonnet and black roof and other bits and pieces in black of course as well. So this is in with us for a couple of weeks for a couple of jobs. So we are doing the sound deadening to the interior, but we are also black wax oil treating the underbody. This video is for the black wax oil treatment. We're also doing the separate video for the Dynamat soundproofing, so check that out on the channel. If it's not on there already, it will be on there very soon, so do check that out as well. But we are going to be getting this into the workshop, get everything, or first of all get it all cleaned underneath. So we're going to wash it all, pressure wash it all, get as much of the muck and rubbish off from the underneath as we can. Then we'll get it into the workshop, strip all the bits we need to strip, get it prepped, and then get it black wax oiled. So we're going to run through all of this with you, show you what we do with this. Pleasure working on another Defender. Over the years we've done quite a few Defenders, so particularly our own special one, so that's on the channel as well. Right, we'll get. Oh, we're also doing the rear panel. We're going to be doing in the black Raptor coat as well. So yeah, we may video that whilst we run along with doing the wax oil. And so please do like and subscribe to the old channel. That way you can stay fully up to date with everything we're doing, and you won't miss any of the videos. We'll get this into the workshop. Well, first of all, we get it cleaned underneath, then we get it into the workshop, get cracking with the work. Here we go. Roll the intros. Right, Paul is now just prepping the rear section on the Defender. So we're doing this part in our like Raptor coating. So we want to get this done before we move on to the wax oiling of the underbody. So just getting this all prepped, ready for the coating to go on. Hello there, Paul.
Hello, mate. You alright?
Right, so now getting it all prepped, as you can see. Everything's been removed, hasn't it, Paul?
Everything.
Everything's off. We've got the bits for the tow bar down here. These will all be prepped and then done, like saying, the Cobra coating, so it's like the Raptor coating, protective paint. Paul's just prepping the other bits up right now. Right, now getting the Defender all masked up. So Rob's got it off the ground and all the wheels off. So just getting everything masked up. It's all been prepped underneath. Well, a lot of the prep work done. So just getting everything masked out that we don't want any wax oil on. Down to the back, there we go. Some of the back panel and bits and pieces at the back will all be masked out as well. And then you've got exhaust and everything underneath as well to be masked out. And then we'll static sheet it so that none of the wax oil blows up around the rest of the vehicle. There we go, getting there now. Right, we're just going to have a look in the workshop at the Defender as Rob is now doing the wax oiling. So we're going to have a little look, see how he's getting on with that. Hopefully not making too much mess, eh? Here we go. Well, you can't see him, but he is there. Right, so all the wax oiling is now done. Rob has just unmasked the vehicle. We've just got the side protector plates to go back on. And there's one of the front ones, I think, and he's got the side ones to go on. I just thought I'd show you before we start getting the wheels and that back on. So here we go, all wax oiled with the black wax oil. Right inside all the chassis area. And across the front, as we look underneath, okay, all underneath as well. And again, before we put the chassis, the side plates, protector plates back on, just show you that it's all done all across there as well, on the sides. But exhaust, of course, was all masked up, so there is no wax oil on the exhaust or the engine. Onto the back of the vehicle. Of course, it's static sheeted as well, so that stopped any muck or wax oil, sorry, getting up onto the body of the vehicle. Look at that, look. Plenty of protection on there now. Everyone likes a little bit of protection. That'll stop anything rusting and corroding, and then the same as we look underneath there as well. Rob's done a superb job here. And then if we move to the back of the vehicle, we have, of course, now finished and put all back together the rear section, where we have replicated it all just for the protection as well. Tidied up all the tow bar, everything's all been painted and protected as well and refitted. So it's now a case of getting all the last bits all back onto the vehicle. We'll then get it outside, check it all and give it a lovely wash and finish it all up. There we go. So give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling, AW Smart Repairs, if we can help with anything like this. Last bit's now being fitted up by Rob after all the wax oiling, and then it'll be outside for its clean and tidy up. Don't forget to check out the other video we've done of this, of the dynamatting of the interior, of the sound deadening. That'll be in another video on the channel. If it's not there already, it'll be on there very soon. Well done, Rob, getting there, mate?
Yeah, we're getting there.
Front bumper on and then his grille. And time for a wash. Not Rob, just the vehicle. Maybe both. Well, this brings us to the end of another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs. Thanks for checking it out. Hopefully you've got to the end of it and watched everything all the way through. Been a pleasure working on another one of the Land Rover Defenders. This has been the 110 special edition one, as you'll have seen. Fantastic in the pearl white with the black extra bits as well, black bonnet, black roof. Lovely bit of kit this. So this has been in with us, very good customer of ours, Steve, does trust us with all of his vehicles, doing numerous different bits and pieces of work. So some of the other vehicles he's owned have been on the channel as well, so he's trusted us with another one to work on. So on this occasion, as you've seen, we have done the black waxoil treatment to the underside of the vehicle. Everything's been cleaned to begin with, as you'll have seen, jet washed and pressure washed underneath. Then the relevant bits removed, everything of course dried, then everything prepped. Everything we didn't want with the black wax oil on has either been removed or masked out. Then of course the black wax oil treatment all treated across the bottom of the vehicle, everywhere we could get into. The black wax oil is a really good product, gives a lot of extra protection to the underside of any vehicle. Defenders particularly, are prone to corrosion, even as they've got newer, because other than the brand new ones, they've always had that agricultural theme, so they've always had issues with corrosion. So the black wax oil will help to stop water and muck getting into areas where you don't want it. So everything's been done, of course, then everything refitted. Full vehicle has been then washed and valeted at the end, and then fully checked to make sure we've not got any black wax oil anywhere we didn't want it. Of course, now we are all done, so next thing is to give the customer a call, let him know, or let Steve know, you can come back and collect it. We've also done the Dynamat soundproofing to the interior on this. This is on another video, so that'll either be on the channel or it'll be up and coming on the channel very soon. So please do like and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and then when any of our new videos are available, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching. We're going to give you a last look around the vehicle to finish, and then we'll hopefully catch you for another video. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.